Sending messages in HitEmUp with attachments is super easy. Let me show you how. When you tap on a group, such as my customers, we can write a message just like normal, including a first name and last name or whatever you like. And I'm going to make this as if I'm a personal trainer today. So let's say, are you ready to work out? Awesome. Let's pick some good photos to attach to this so that we can get more people coming out to our personal training sessions. So I'll click on the little attachment icon. Then I'll select the photos that I want from my photo library. So I'll pick a couple that represent our classes that we teach and click Done. You'll see that the photos show up right above the message bar. If you don't think that one is good, you can always just tap to remove it. So there's the little red X right there to remove an attached photo. If we want to attach another photo, we can just tap again, this little paperclip icon right here. Now, let's say we want to attach photos about real estate and selling a home. Also quick and easy. Just tap as many as you like and click Done. We can remove now our workout photos, and now we have photos for this. When you're ready to send, click Send Separately, and that's it. Here are the attachments as they'll appear to each person, and we can scroll up and down on our little message thread here to see what they look like. When I tap Send, you'll see that they're already attached into our message right here, and we can tap Send with the little blue icon. That's it. So you might be asking, well, where do I attach videos? Well, that's also a pretty good question. Videos, documents, PDFs. We don't allow you to attach those directly yet. And the reason for that is that not all your recipients' phones can handle all the different type of message types. So what we recommend to do instead is to just paste a link to, say, a YouTube video. For instance, here's a good one that we have a tutorial on our website. And just put it at the end of your message, just like this, where we have the link right there to the YouTube resource that we want, or to the Google Drive doc, or to whatever file that you're interested in uploading to a third-party service, and just put it at the end. You see that it just appears as this black text right there. And let's just send a little message to show what that looks like all together. So I click Send. You see there's some text here. The cool thing is that when you actually go to send this, and I click Send, skip through this one, the message will actually show a little bubble of that particular person right there. So I'll show you an example right now. You can see that we have content right here. The video got converted directly into a playable thing that we can see right in iMessage, and so can your recipients. That's how we attach videos and files as a link to a third-party site like YouTube or docs.google.com. Skip this, tap Done, and that's it. We've now sent a message including a link. So you can scroll back up, see your photos, copy them if you want, take a closer look at the past photos you've sent, all inside your message thread here. Pretty cool.